to have your abs all the way up to your arms and shoulders. For me to be able to get a workout any time of the day, no matter what the weather is, and burn 500 to 1,000 calories in an hour, you can't beat it.
Now let me show you how easy it is to go for a run with a spinner bike. You just do three simple things. First, pedal. Second, add resistance to the area of strain or intensity. And third, use a stick or stand. That's all it takes to burn calories so much. It's an incredible cardio workout. And I can go as hard as I want because I trust this bike. It's incredibly stable. Come on, guys, let's go for a ride. When you go for a ride on your spinner bike, you'll see positive changes in your body, which is exactly what happened to Chris Bronco.
I had a beautiful baby boy, and it was a great gift, but I was left with an enormous amount of weight. At 256 pounds, money was not enough. I needed something that was low impact. I feel like I could get that weight off. The training program really is the best way to burn the maximum amount of calories in the least amount of time. Certainly after you have children, your life cycle is going to be less hectic. To have that option to be able to have that program in your home and do it like you really do is really awesome. With the spin program, I lost 106 pounds. From a physical standpoint, I am strong and fit and healthy. But more importantly, I feel on the outside who I've always been on the inside.